Good morning, everyone. Class, today we will proceed with the attribute of body tag. So, first tag that I have taken is the background one. In this class, they have also used the font tag. That also I will explain. So, class C, first of all, this HTML you all know, head section you all know. Somebody was asking, sir, we need to close the head. Yes, definitely you need to close the head. Definitely you have to start with the body. You have to close the body. HTML you have to start, and at last HTML you have to close. So this is the first thing. Second thing is giving a attribute, that is the property of the body. So first property I am explaining. Plus here it is written flower.jpg, but this is may not be the address in your computer. So class, those who are doing in mobile, they cannot do this, but those who are doing in computer, they can do this. So class, in computer you will go to your drive where your file is saved. You will open that with your explorer, either with the Chrome or with the Internet Explorer, and here you will paste the address. There in Internet Explorer there is a address part. From there you can copy and you can paste it here, and after pasting here you can proceed. Now after that, here they have used the font size, a font tag they have used. Under that there is size, color, spelling of color, you can see COLOR, and the face. So class, size is 6. Class size is 6, and color they have given red, and type they have given monotype cursiva, that is font face. We call it here face. In some languages we call it style also, but in HTML it is known as face only. And after that, after completing all this, you will save your file with your own name .html, any name you can give, and after that you have to give HTML as I have explained before, and you will get this pattern HTML. This here it is coming in it it is monotype cursiva, it is coming size, it is coming as given size, background picture is coming. So inserting a picture and having a background is different thing. Background, whole background is covered with that picture, but if we insert a picture, only the few in this part only, or you can say in middle or in sideways, that picture will come. And it is black and white, so it is not coming as red color, but in your computer it will come red color. So class, next attribute is bg color and text color. If you will give bg color as blue and text color as white, and here it is given in bold, they have used another tag, that is a bold tag. So how it will get display, you see. How it will get display, you can see that background color it is black and white, so it is coming like this, and this is the color, and it is coming little bold also. So this is the output of this particular. Now class, this is link. As I have told you, link, v-link, and a-link is also the attribute. Now link, if you will give, it will any hyperlink you will create. As you see in browser, blue color line comes, so here also we can make it blue color by applying a link only. But if you want, after clicking on that, that is visited link, it should come in different color. And active link, when you put your mouse pointer to it, it should come in different color. So for that, a link is there, and widgeted link which you have already clicked, for that you want different color. As in internet it is coming, it comes in maroon color when we widget a particular link, and in general it is come in blue link. But active link option you can give in your web page. So class, how to implement? First of all, in body they have given blue, as this, and red as visited, and yellow as active link. And they have created this hyperlink. This is another topic actually. To create any text as hyperlink, what you have to write, a tag href, here you have to give to which you have to connect. So this time class, no need to give this anything here. You just put double quotes, and after that you put this, you write between this a tag, this matter you write, this matter you write. No need to give this address. This I will teach you later practically how to connect. Similarly, this they have don't not to write this one, you write this only. So what you have to write, a tag you have to start with, and you have to close with the a tag. No need to write all this. After that a tag is closed. After that this matter you write. No need to write this in this also, and no need to write this in this also. After that you will get everything in blue line in a output, as you can see the output. But when you will click on it, then it will become red color. When you will just pass your mouse pointer to this, it will come in yellow color. So that is the hyperlink color change method in a body. So class, next is the top margin and the left margin. Class, one question is there, whether there is bottom margin or right margin. There is nothing like bottom margin and the right margin in HTML. So class, in margin, how you have to give margin from the top margin from the left, that is left margin. You are writing a text here, whatever you want to write you can write, or you can write the same also. Now what will be the output? In output from left, what will be the output? From left there will be a margin, and from top there will be a margin. There is no specification for left and the bottom. So this is the space, blank space will appear when you will give this margin option, this one. Now next topic class, very important, that is the line break. For line break there is a tag br. Wherever you will write br, it will from that portion it will come in next line. As you can see this output, they have written everything in a single line. But still it is appearing in different line because we have given br in between. So this will be the output. Now your next is the horizontal line. In horizontal line you want to give some line in between, straight lines, as you can see in this one. You can see that this is the horizontal line given, this is the horizontal line, and 30 pixel. So it is coming in a width, little bit width. You can see that the width of this particular is more, this is less, and this is short in length. So how they have given, now I am going to explain. Before going to the program, first of all you see that what are the attributes. We can give size, we can give width, we can give color, we can give no shade, we can give alignment. So how to implement? Class C, the first one, after writing this first line, they have given size is equals to 30. So as accordingly the output is coming after the first line. Now no, this is the first line. They have given simply HR. So that's why single line is simple. You can see single line with no width, with no darkness, nothing is coming because we have given simply HR. But after the second line, after this line, they have given size is equals to 30. So that's why the width, so much width is coming of this. you can see that the width is coming more. In this you can see that single line is coming. In this you can see that width is coming. So how it is possible? It is possible just because of giving size as 30. At last in this is alignment, right alignment with the 90 degree, 90% and green color. So it is coming a right align. You can see that here less gap, here more gap. 90%, this line is 90% of 100%, this one is the 100%. So here to here it is coming completely, but this one is only 90%. So that's why. And bold it is coming just because it is given as green color. So color is coming, that's why in this in then black and white it is coming as, you can say, little bit bold. Actually this is because of the color only. Now class, the last section of this is applying a comment. Comment is something which is not a part of the source. Means in this, whatever you are writing, whatever you have written, it is the part. But in this, whatever you have written, this is the part. But in this, whatever you are writing like this, it will be not the part of the output. This is not a part of the output. This one, it's not the part of the output. This one is not a part of the output, because in this is made and this is made, this is made and this is made. So that's why. So class, you can see that this is a paragraph only coming, this is a comment, it is not coming. Please insert the comment, it is not coming. So class, this much you have to do, and these are very important part. Do it practically in your computer, in your mobile. In your mobile only the image part cannot you do. You cannot do that background part. Rest of the part you can do. That's all class.